Today, I'll show you how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to hide completed tasks. Once your plan opens, you will see your task board with different buckets or columns. Completed tasks can make the board look crowded, especially if your team has finished many items, so hiding them can help you focus only on the work that still needs attention. Look near the top of the planner board for the filter option. Click Filter. Now look for a filter related to progress or task status. Choose the option that shows only tasks that are not started and in progress. Make sure completed is not selected. After applying the filter, Planner should hide the completed tasks from your board. Now you should only see tasks that are still open or active. Another way is to use the Group By option. At the top of the board, click Group By. You can group tasks by progress. This will separate your tasks into sections like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. If you want a cleaner view, you can collapse the completed section so it does not take up too much space. If you are using Planner in Microsoft Teams, the layout may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Open the Planner tab, look for Filter, then filter the board so completed tasks are not shown. If you do not see the same options, try opening the plan directly in the Planner web app. Some controls are easier to find there. Also remember that hiding completed tasks does not delete them. The tasks are still saved in the plan, and you can show them again later by changing or clearing the filter. To bring completed tasks back, open Filter again and include completed or clear all filters. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, click Filter, choose only active task statuses, and leave completed tasks unchecked. You can also group by progress and collapse the completed section. And that's how you hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.